Hello everybody and welcome to this MindView tutorial from Biggerplate.com. In this tutorial we're going to have a very quick look at how you can navigate your way around your MindView mind maps. So let's take a look. The first thing we can do when navigating the mind map, as I'm showing you almost on the screen right now, is just use the scroll bars to the right hand side and the bottom of your map to just move up and down the canvas and of course from left to right. Now this is a really simple way of just moving around the map, especially as the maps get bigger. You're going to want to use these scroll bars to keep track of where you are and move around the map nice and easily. But there's lots of other little tools and features we can use as well. Another thing we're going to want to do within our MindView maps, again when they start to get quite large, is zoom in and out into the information as we need to. Now we've got a lot of different options here. We've got a little slider down here in the bottom right side that I can zoom out with, and of course zoom in. And it's going to zoom based on where you're clicked into at the moment. So if I zoom out or zoom in, you'll see it's going to just kind of zoom in and out based on wherever the topic has been selected at the moment. So if I come back into zoom in there, you'll see it's going to come right to where I want to be. So we've got the slider, which is great, and then we've also got, obviously in the main menu, we've got options to say view and zoom and do this. This is a little bit too much hassle really when you've got the slider down there, or of course you could just use the control and minus keys on your keyboard to zoom in or out as well. So lots of easy ways to zoom in and out of your information in the map there. A couple of nice little extras you've got in MindView to really help you focus in on the right information at the right time. So first of all, we've got the option to just zoom right out to capture everything in our map on one screen. So here's where we can come up into the main menu. And you see I've got the View tab open here, and if I say Fit All, that's just going to zoom out the document so it fits the whole thing onto your screen. So if you had lots more information open in your mind map, for example, what it's going to do if I say Fit All again is just zoom it out a little bit more to help me see that information. So the zoom out to that level is a very nice way when you've been working in a certain area of just zooming out and getting a sense of where you are in the whole picture. Another nice little feature in MindView is what's called focus mode, and this is where the map is really going to move around with your attention and where you want to focus. So if I select focus mode here, I could say view, focus mode, select that. Now what you'll see happen is when I click into other topics in the map, you'll notice the software is automatically moving around with me to just zoom in a little bit on the areas that I'm interested to work on. So it's a nice way sometimes, or even when you're presenting, of just keeping the focus where you want to be. So focus mode is something I like to use in MindView to just keep that dynamic mapping software keeping me focused in the areas I want to look at. So that's just a couple of quick tips on navigating your MindView mind maps. For more MindView templates, tutorials and training, please visit Biggerplate.com, and don't forget to subscribe here to our YouTube channel.